You wake up in the morning, and what is the first thing you notice? A fog. Not the fog outside your window, but a fog right before your eyes and inside your own mind. You rub your eyes, trying to focus to see the clock, but everything remains blurry. You step out of bed, and it takes a long while for your brain to truly boot up. If you are over 60 and nodding in agreement with me right now, then listen closely. This is not just a sign of aging. It is your body crying for help. Your nervous and visual systems are starving. We often think that the body rests completely when we sleep. That is a mistake. When you close your eyes, the most important work shift of the day truly begins. That is when the brain activates the glymphatic system to clean up toxic waste. But to execute this massive repair process, the body needs raw materials. If you do not provide the right building blocks, the workers will go on strike. The result? Your vision fades, your memory declines, and your reflexes become slow. Today, I will not give you generic advice like eat more vegetables. I will give you the precise key to unlock the nightly recovery process. We will go deep into 4 specific juices. I call them the 4 pillars of recovery. They are scientifically proven to be capable of crossing the blood-brain barrier. But I will also correct the dangerous misunderstandings that the internet is spreading. Let's go straight to the problem. Why do the eyes and brain slow down so frighteningly after age 60? Imagine your retina is like the sensor of an expensive digital camera, but it has to work continuously for 16 hours a day. The retina is the tissue with the highest oxygen consumption in the body by weight. This massive metabolism creates a huge amount of oxidative waste. When we are young, the body has an efficient cleaning crew, but after age 60, the microcirculation system nourishing the eyes gets clogged. At the same time, the brain, specifically the hippocampus and the frontal lobe, starts to shrink. A large part of the cause is micronutrient deficiency. The majority of people over 65 are severely deficient in vitamin D, vitamin B12, and especially the antioxidant group of carotenoids. Lacking these substances is like trying to run a race car on gas mixed with water. So what is the solution? We need to load the body with liquid forms that are easy to absorb. Here are the 4 juices you need to know. Number 1, carrot juice, the shield for the retina. We start with the most common but also the most misunderstood type, which is carrots. First, let's talk about the eyes. Carrots are the king of beta-carotene and alpha-carotene. When you drink carrot juice, your liver converts these substances into vitamin A. Why is vitamin A vital? Because it is the main component of rhodopsin, a protein in the rod cells of the eye that helps you see in low light. If you find yourself suffering from night blindness, that is a sign your rod cells are screaming for vitamin A. But carrots do not just have vitamin A. They contain lutein and zeaxanthin. Visualize them like a pair of internal sunglasses. They accumulate right at the macula of the eye, absorbing harmful blue light, preventing these rays from burning sensitive nerve cells. Now let's talk about the brain. There is information spreading that drinking carrot juice helps increase visual memory by 13%. The truth is based on a study from 2021. This study did not give people juice and then measure memory immediately. Instead, they observed thousands of people and found that those with the highest levels of alpha-carotene had significantly better cognitive scores. Here is how to use carrots the Dr. Yu way. Never drink carrot juice on an empty stomach without fat. Vitamin A and carotenoids are fat-soluble substances. The strategy is to drink it with breakfast that has eggs or olive oil. Number 2, beetroot juice, the flow opener. If carrots are fuel, then beetroot is the pipe plumber. The big problem with the elderly brain is that the pipelines carrying blood become narrowed. Beetroot contains a secret weapon called inorganic nitrate. When you drink it, a magical process happens. Bacteria in your mouth convert nitrate into nitrite, and when it goes down to the stomach, it turns into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide orders the smooth muscles around the blood vessels to relax. The result is that blood vessels dilate. A study cited in PubMed has shown that a nitrate-rich diet helps increase blood perfusion, specifically to the frontal lobe area. When this area is fully irrigated, your reflexes are faster, and the feeling of brain fog vanishes. The golden time to use beetroot is in the afternoon, between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. Why? Because this is when your energy naturally dips, and also when blood pressure tends to fluctuate. Number 3. Blueberry juice. The key to crossing the blood-brain barrier. This is the true superstar in the world of neuroprotection. Your brain is protected by a solid wall called the blood-brain barrier. This wall blocks bacteria but also blocks many nutrients. Very few substances have a VIP card to pass through this gate. Anthocyanin, the substance that creates the deep blue-purple color of blueberries, is one of the few holders of that VIP card. Anthocyanin is an extremely powerful antioxidant. First, it stimulates synaptic plasticity. Imagine your brain cells are like neighbors holding hands. With age, this hand-holding becomes loose. Anthocyanin helps that grip become tight again. Second, a study on elderly people showed that supplementing with blueberry juice continuously for 12 weeks significantly improved learning ability. Here is the strategy for using blueberries. Drink it 90 minutes before sleeping. The process of cleaning up waste and restructuring the brain happens most strongly during deep sleep. Providing anthocyanin in the evening is like gathering construction materials right before the workers start their shift. Number 4. Spinach juice, the internal sunglasses. Last, but most important for the eyes, is spinach. If you ask me what the miracle drug for the macula is, I will say immediately it is spinach, because it contains a massive amount of lutein and zeaxanthin. Clinical studies have proven that supplementing these substances increases macular pigment optical density. Imagine your macula is like a shield. Drinking spinach juice is essentially you applying layer after layer of material to that shield. For the brain, folate in spinach plays a key role in controlling homocysteine. Homocysteine is a nasty amino acid. If its concentration in the blood is too high, it will attack brain blood vessels. Folate and vitamin B12 are the police that capture and convert homocysteine into harmless substances. Here is how to use spinach. The strategy is to drink it mid-morning, around 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. The Dr. Yu's secret is to always blend spinach with a slice of lemon. Vitamin C in lemon helps increase iron absorption. Implementation. Roadmap. Consistency is more important than perfection. Now you might be thinking, how can I drink all 4 of these in one day? Calm down. The key here is rotation and flexibility. The goal is to provide enough nutrient groups throughout the week. Morning with breakfast. Prioritize carrots or spinach. This is when the body needs energy. Afternoon when energy drops. This is the hour for beetroot. It helps dilate blood vessels. Evening after dinner, the time for blueberries. Gentle, low sugar, preparing the brain for repair. You do not need to drink all 3 sessions every day. Listen to your body. Conclusion and important warning. Before ending, I must tell you this as a person of science. Juice is a wonderful support tool, but it is not a magic elixir that cures all diseases. If you drink juice but still stay up late and eat poorly, no amount of blueberries can save your brain. Recovery does not happen overnight. But studies show that after about 12 weeks, improvements will be seen. Start today. No need for complexity. Buy a bunch of spinach, a bag of carrots. Your body has miraculous self-healing abilities as long as you give it the right materials. I am Dr. Yu. Take care of your eyes and your brain, because they are the most precious assets you have.